Okay, so here I am gonna create a bomb in my house. So if you open this up, you can see there's some baking soda. There's baking soda in there. And here we have some catalyst for the bomb. It's a vinegar. So basically, as soon as I pour this vinegar in, I'm gonna put the cap on, and it's gonna be like an explosion. So earlier, or off camera, I used some vinegar for some coloring, but I'm gonna do it without. Actually, I am gonna put coloring. That's all I need. Boom. And then now it's gonna look like Coca-Cola. Alright, there we go. Stop doing anything. I don't think I put the lid on. Did I put the lid on right? Bruh. Let's try again. I didn't put it on. It's not going on.